Hello guys, come with me, let's prepare dinner for my family. This will be our first soup for the week. Guys, watch this video to the end. Please follow, like and share this video. Thank you as you come with me. Let's take the pot I'll be using for this soup. I'll be using this pot, this small one, just to parboil my meat and fish. I'll be showing you everything I'll be using for this particular soup. Is egusi soup. This will be bringing out everything I bought from the market, my meat, my egusi, vegetable, pepper. I have fish at home and every other thing. So this is the fish. I'll be using this head of fish, very big. So let's go and wash the fish and the meat. Guess how much I bought this meat? You see, this meat you see here is very expensive. So this is my baby here, been disturbing me, carrying my tripod here and there. So this is me putting the pot on fire, washing the meat, wash and wash. So this me, I'll put the meat inside the pot, then I'll come and break the fish. I will look at it very well before I use it. I wash it very well with warm water. So this is me, I put the fish and the meat inside the pot. This is my mangi. I put salt, I'll put pepper, I will stir it, and I will cover it for it to be done. Then I proceeded to go and wash my children's school uniform. You can see there was no light, so I have to wash them with my hand. After washing them, I'll use towel to squeeze the water out of it. In fact, it was such a busy night for me. So let's go and fetch water together. This is me fetching water. At this point, I didn't know what I was wearing on my leg. Can you see? So this is me. After fetching the water, I'm here to start washing. It was not easy, but I thank God for strength. I did it. Look at my baby. Everybody were with me outside, cheering me up. So this after washing, I was rinsing. After rinsing them, it's time for me to use the towel to squeeze. You can see how I used to squeeze it when there is no washing machine. So with this one, it will be easy for it to dry overnight. At this time, this was just around past 8. So after squeezing them, I brought them inside, spread them on this chair. I turned on the fan in case if NEPA bring light. So I went back to kitchen. Do you notice the switch in pot? Yes, the meat and fish, they almost got burnt, so I have to change that pot. So this is me trying to fry my egusi. I love cooking my egusi this method. Yes, it came out so nice. So after frying it, I'll have to put it back inside this pot because you can see it was burning in this particular pot. I don't know what happened. So this is everything. After everything, I put them in this pot. I cover it. I add a little more water. Can you see how the egusi is? It came out so yummy. So it's time for me to add vegetable. Let's add vegetable. I will stir it. You can see. Look at if you know sabi cook, no accept wedding ring. That is very important. So my soup was ready here. You can see how yummy it is. Can you see? You can bring your plate to let me add more. So this is me making my semovita. That's what we use. So after turning your semo, you have to cook it again for it to be very done. So this is me serving our dinner. Come and eat, come and have some. So everything